Ako po ulit si Alexa Ilacad, and I'm so happy to be standing in front of everyone here today, and I'm so honored and happy as well to receive this recognition. I've noticed na pabata po ng pabata ang audiences natin, and I actually have a 3-year-old niece. And my niece is an expert on the iPad, as in, mas magaling pa po siya sa mother ko sa pagkalikot ng TV at ng mga gadgets. And in line with this, na-realize ko po how exposed our children are to all sorts of media, which is why I see to it that as a celebrity and as an influencer as well, I will try to use my platform to provide a safe space and a happy space for our children today. And again, I would just like to thank again Anak TV for this recognition, and to all of my supporters for believing in everything that I stand for. Maraming salamat po.